I am going to knock over the fridge. Hey 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 hiya. Now I will kneel down just in case, because I don't want to get caught.
I'm going to get some food from the fridge, because I'm becoming very hungry right now. Agnes, I can see your hair sticking out from behind the fridge. Get up and get over here now.
Well, I guess I'm in trouble now, right Daddy?
That's correct, Agnes. For knocking over the fridge, which I'm going to pick up, you are grounded for 2 septillion 875 sextillion 280 quintillion 191 quadrillion 820 trillion 718 billion 274,640,987 years. Go to your room right now. Good. Now I can pick up this refrigerator that stupid Agnes knocked over. Much better.